Today's video is sponsored by Level8. Travel space is at a premium these days, and I'm always trying to refine how I travel. Now, whether that's trying to fit everything that I need for my spontaneous 2-week trip or a new set of requirements that an airline has on what they consider a carry-on. Now, normally I would cover the essentials on what I take with me when I travel, and if that is something that you're interested in, leave a comment down below. But today I'm going to focus more on how I travel and more specifically what I use when I travel. What is going on, everyone? It's Raghav back with another video, and today we're checking out my new travel bag, the Hegent Carry-On from Level8. I took it with me on a quick trip to visit some friends, and I do have some thoughts on what I think about this bag. While Level8 did send me this for a review, all feedback and observations are my own, and they haven't seen this video before posting. So here are 7 things that you should know about the Hegent Carry-On, and make sure to stick around to the end of the video to get a pretty sweet discount. The Hegent measures in at 15 by 9 by 22 inches, coming in at just about 10 pounds and has an impressive capacity of 38 liters. This means that it will fit the carry-on size requirements for most airlines and shouldn't give you any hassle at the gate. The bag that I've picked out comes in this sleek gray color. Typically, I would go for something like the classic black or the blue, which are 2 other color options that they offer, but I wanted to change things up, and I'll be honest, I'm pretty happy with how this looks. It feels clean and modern with a subtle 2-tone design, and it doesn't really scream for attention. For materials, Level8 does use a polycarbonate outer shell with an aluminum frame, giving the bag a great balance of durability and weight. Not only does the polycarbonate material help with scratches, scuffs, and dings, it is also rated to be water resistant. Plus, the zipperless feature helps you keep your clothes dry from unexpected moisture. We do see a lot of bags in this category use that polycarbonate material, but I think one area where Level8 sets themselves apart is the reinforced metal corners. These metal caps are a small touch, but they do help protect your bag from impact, keeping that polycarbonate surface looking clean and protecting your items inside. Plus, they add a rugged industrial style to the bag, which personally I really like. Then there's the branding. Level8 has gone for a more minimalistic look, which I appreciate. You'll find subtle Level8 branding all over the bag, the wheels, the handles, and on the front of the bag. It's clean and simple, exactly what I look for in a travel bag. No loud logos, just a refined badge on the front that really gives it that professional look. Now let's talk about the wheels. I know that might not be the most exciting feature about a bag, but after having traveled through various different environments and using different types of travel bags, I finally realized that I truly appreciate a good set of wheels. The Hegent wheels are 360-degree spinners, and they are smooth as butter. Whether you're gliding across tile in an airport or dealing with rough pavement, these wheels give you full control. No snagging, no dragging, just a smooth, effortless roll. They make navigating crowded areas easy and hold up well across different terrains, really giving you that comfort that they're not going to break or get stuck. The handles on the Hegent are definitely a step up from the usual. Starting with the telescopic arm, you get multiple height adjustments, which is a huge plus for customizing comfort for whether you're tall or short. The telescoping handle feels solid and doesn't really wobble, giving you that sturdy feel that you want when you're navigating through a busy airport or city streets. But what really stands out to me are the grab handles. Level8 added a soft return feature, so when you do lift them, they gently glide back down into their resting position instead of snapping back harshly. Both the top and the side grab handle have this feature, and they're wrapped in this soft touch material that's very comfortable and easy on your hands. This small detail makes a big difference, especially when you're repeatedly grabbing and setting the bag down. Perfect for those times when you need to quickly lift up your bag to put it into the overhead compartment or the trunk of your car. Many bags in this price range rely on zippers, like the Carry-On Pro from Monos. And while Monos does have great zippers, we know over time they can either catch, break, or just become frustrating. Level8 has changed things up and gone with a zipperless strategy by using latches. The Hegent comes with 2 latches on either end of the bag. Each latch feels strong and has a satisfying click when you lock and unlock. I've noticed a significant difference when I'm traveling with these, especially when my bag is tightly packed. In the past, I've had my zippers randomly open while traveling because I either overpacked or they simply wore out. With these latches though, once you hear that click, you know it's locked and secure. Another nice touch is the included 3-number combo and the TSA approved lock. The 3-number combo means that I can set a combination on each side of the bag, protecting me from would-be thieves trying to get into it, and the added TSA approved locks means that if security does want to take a look inside, they can access it. When you open the bag, you'll notice you have tons of pockets available. Compartments for larger items, mesh pockets for easy visibility, and smaller pockets for essentials. On the left side, there is a mesh pocket where I can grab things like my PJs or other essentials. It makes it super easy to see what's in there at a glance. Below that, there's a dry wet pocket that's made from a translucent plastic material. It's super convenient for things like my toiletries and other liquids. But I found that it's also great for when I have things that might still be wet, like a pair of swimming trunks. Behind that, you have a zippered portion that extends into the cavity of the bag. This is typically where I store my socks, undergarments, and also things like my belt and even a pair of running shoes to keep things separated. On the right side, you have this flat pouch. I'm not really sure what it's intended for, but I found it particularly useful when I need to carry stuff to and from the bathroom in my hotel room. But it also doubles as a compression divider when paired with the Y-strap to compress any items below it like my t-shirts or pants to really give me more space in my carry-on. And although it is included with my bag, I do have the flexibility to remove it if I don't need it. Now the Y-strap alone deserves some type of recognition for how well they've integrated it into the bag. Normally you would have a buckle or some type of clip to tie things together. This may work for most luggage pieces, but the clips can break or the straps can become loose over time. I've also found that some of them are made from elastic material and don't really do a good job of compressing my clothes. The Hegent Carry-On uses a Y-strap and clip to provide compression, but then also uses Velcro to secure and maintain that tension. The clips are made from a metal-based material, which gives me the confidence that they won't break on me over time. This makes it so that your items remain compressed and in place, allowing you to travel with more. If you're all about organization, the Level 8 packing cubes are a game changer. These packing cubes maximize every inch of space. Made from this durable two-tone polyester that's not only mildew and water resistant, but it also fits perfectly into the carry-on. The set of 4 cubes even comes with detachable rubber patches, allowing you to customize each one based on what you're packing. The labels on the patches makes it easy to organize your essentials such as laundry, tech, shoes, and skincare, so you know where everything is. For my packing setup, I use the smaller cubes for socks and undergarments, which keeps everything compact and easy to access. The larger cube can hold up to 8 t-shirts, and there's even a dedicated skincare cube with built-in dividers to keep my bottles and containers secured during transit. This way, everything stays in place even if the bag gets tossed around a little bit. When it's time to load up, these cubes fit neatly into the left compartment of my suitcase, leaving enough space for even a pair of shoes. The added bonus, the cubes are incredibly helpful when I want to keep my clean and dirty clothes separate during my trip. Once I'm home, I can pull out the laundry cube and throw it straight into the wash. No more sorting through to figure out what is clean and what needs to be washed. These cubes truly make a difference in helping me stay organized, letting me pack smarter and stress-free, knowing exactly where each item is. Overall, the Hegent Carry-On from Level 8 nails it in terms of durability, design, and practical features, and it really makes a difference when you're traveling. The polycarbonate and aluminum build with reinforced corners makes it resilient without compromising on style. The soft return grab handles as well as the 360-degree spinner wheels makes navigating through airports and city streets effortless, while the zipperless latches offers a secure and hassle-free closure. Inside, the packing cubes and the Y-straps keeps everything organized and compressed, while the water-resistant exterior ensures that everything stays dry. If you're interested, Level 8 has offered an exclusive discount to pass on to all of you. Use the link in the description and the code right here for up to 25% off. Just follow the link below to get your hands on one of these. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this review, give us a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to us for more tech and travel related content. I'll see you in the next one.